Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryant and you're watching Trebone Designs Bobby Rhodes. So I know this is not my typical upload date, but since it's December 2nd, the beginning of the official holiday season, I felt it would be a good time to put together a video that has been requested by a few of my followers and subscribers, and it's a how-to video in regards to how to make a bow. So today I'm going to show you a simple and easy way on how to make a really beautiful bow for your Christmas tree, or when you're wrapping gifts, or when you're doing wreaths or garlands, or teardrops, or whatever you're going to do. So what you'll need is wired ribbon, and here I have a plaid 2.5 inch ribbon here. This is a really beautiful classic design, and it is wired, so you always make sure you have wired ribbon. Okay, and then you're going to need floral wire, and this is one I got from Hobby Lobby. I do recommend that you get the kind that has the floral tape on it, if you can see that. It has the floral tape on it. It's easier on your hands, and it's easier to work with than the one without the wire. And of course you're going to need a pair of scissors, some really good sharp scissors to cut your ribbon and do your decorative ends, and I'll show you what that means. And then that's pretty much it. And you can do a accent ribbon, a smaller accent ribbon, which I'm going to show you here. It's just a beautiful accent ribbon I'm going to use at the very end to kind of finish off the bow. I had some of this left from a project. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is, you can either keep it on the spool or you can take it off. I decided to cut mine. I kind of guesstimated how big I want to make the bow. It's going to be a medium-sized bow with maybe 3 or 4 loops on each side. So the first thing you want to do is you want to leave, I want to say at least a 3 to 4 inch tail, just so it can have something to hang off of. And you're going to take the ribbon, you're going to scrunch it up, just like this. So take it and scrunch it up, okay? Then from there you're going to curl the ribbon over into a loop, just like so. And then you're going to scrunch that together as well. So you have your first loop. And let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Okay? So you're going to take the other side and you're going to do the same thing. Now the key here is to make sure your loops are the same size. So once you get the second loop together, pull it, and see how this one's a little bit bigger? Go ahead and pull the second one out until they're both about the same size. And see, they're roughly the same size. See? Okay? So you scrunch that together as well. Make sure you keep that really firm and tight. Okay? And don't worry about fluffing. I know some people say fluff. I really don't think it matters. I just don't worry about it until I get the bow more together. So you turn, you twist. Make sure you twist, and then you do your second loop. So again, you twist. If I'm twisting the ribbon right where my index of my thumb is, so that you can, that's your center point. And you're going to fold it over and do the same thing. As you can see, the bow is already starting to come together. And you can see my other loops aren't as big. And then let's give variation to your bow. And then these are going to come out, as you can see. See that? Make sure you twist again. and you scrunch it together. Okay, so I have 3 loops. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my wire and make sure I have it already set. So it's here right next to me. And then I'm going to take the ribbon I had earlier, this accent ribbon here. I'm just going to put it behind. So these are going to be my streamers hanging off of the bow. I'm going to take another piece of this plaid ribbon I'm going to cut that. So I'm taking the plaid ribbon and I'm going to do the exact same thing I did with the accent ribbon. I'm going to take it, put it in the back where it's pinched, and hold it. So here's my streamers. Then I'm going to take my wire here. I'm going to hold it really firm and tight in the center. So make sure you hold it really tight. See these fingers here? I can let this go and it's still very tight. So with the other hand, I'm going to take it and I'm going to twist my ribbon really firm. You can do it about 3 or 4 times, really good, firm. And now my ribbon is secure, so it's not going to go anywhere. Okay? So I'm going to get it framed a little bit better. Okay. Now I'm going to start to fluff the bow. So just really fluff your loops. This is where it's going to really start to come into shape. Okay. And this is a really simple bow, nothing really difficult or complex. Just really pretty, elegant, and simple. There you go. It's really simple and beautiful with this long streamers. And I'll give you a second view in just a moment to show you what it looks like when it's hung up. I think I'll hang it off of either a wreath or something I'll find really quick to just show you how it looks. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So now the bow has been fluffed and I have curled all my tails and cut my ends, which is like a V-cut or ducktail, some people call them. But as you can see, I just hung it off of this wreath. Actually, it's my King of Christmas wreath. Shout out to King of Christmas. As you can see, I have my accent ribbon as well as my plaid ribbon that matches the actual bow itself. And it's, you know, wire ribbon. This is the easiest bow that you can make. You can't get any more simplistic than this, but it came out beautiful. Once again, thank you guys for watching all my content, all the new subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any new uploads. I appreciate all the love and the support. My name is Bryant, and again, you're watching Trouble in Designs, Bobby Rhodes. I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays.